What if I told you that you can unlock all CapCut Pro features without paying a single rupee? No crack, no mod apps, no shady tools, just a simple trick hidden inside CapCut itself. Sounds crazy, right? Well, you just finished editing your video, effects, text, transitions. Everything's perfect. You hit export and boom. This feature requires CapCut Pro. Yeah, that annoying message. I hate it too. But guess what? Today, I'll show you a smart and simple method to avoid that message. First, open CapCut on your PC and open the project you've already edited. In my case, this is a fully edited video with effects, transitions, and text. Now, when I click export, it shows you're using Pro features and stops the export. Here's how to fix that. Select everything in the timeline, your video clips, text, effects, and overlays. Right-click and select Create Compound Clip. This will merge all the effects and elements into one single clip. Don't worry, your edit will stay exactly the same. Now, right-click on the compound clip and click on Pre-processing. This will start rendering the compound clip in the background. Once pre-processing is finished, press Windows plus R on your keyboard. A small window will open. Type in app data and hit Enter. Go to the folder, Local CapCut User Data Projects LV Draft. Now find the folder with the name of your project. In my case, the project is called How to Get CapCut Free, so I'll open that. Inside, go to Resources, Greater Than Combination. Here you'll find the actual rendered version of your edited video. Now, minimize this folder, go back to CapCut, and import this video from that path into your media. Replace your timeline clip with this one, and now try exporting. Boom! It works. No more pro warning, and your video will export perfectly. So that's it. That's how you can use CapCut Pro features for free and export your videos without any errors. If this helped you, give it a like. And if you want more CapCut tips or free editing hacks, subscribe now and turn on notifications. See you in the next one.